Not all cars are created equal. Some will be your best investment, while others will drain your wallet with endless repairs. As we step into 2025 to 26, manufacturers are rolling out impressive new models, but there are also some that you should avoid at all costs. Today, we are breaking down the worst cars that will disappoint buyers and the best ones that deserve your hard-earned money. If you are thinking about buying a new car, you need to see this first. Chevrolet Traverse. The Chevrolet Traverse might seem like a great family SUV with its spacious cabin, but that is where the positives end. While it comes equipped with a 3.6-liter V6 engine that produces 310 horsepower and 266 pound-feet of torque, the Traverse is infamous for excessive oil consumption, timing chain failures, and overheating problems. The 9-speed automatic transmission is another weak point, often leading to erratic shifts, delays in acceleration, and expensive repairs before even hitting 80,000 miles. The Traverse carries a bulky yet uninspired design. Chevrolet has not made significant updates to its styling, and it does not stand out in a sea of modern SUVs. Inside, it offers 3 rows of seating, but the quality of materials is disappointing. Hard plastics, outdated technology, and an unresponsive infotainment system make it feel cheap despite its price tag. The Traverse has long been plagued with transmission issues, electrical malfunctions, and an underwhelming driving experience. Many owners report constant trips to the dealership for repairs, making this SUV a financial burden rather than a reliable companion. If you thought the Traverse was bad, wait until you hear about the next sedan that struggles to even stay on the road. Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima has long been a popular midsize sedan, but the 2025 model continues to suffer from the same notorious problem, its transmission. While it features a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine with 188 horsepower and 180 pound-feet of torque, its continuously variable transmission, CVT, is known for premature failure, jerky acceleration, and excessive repair costs. The CVT often overheats, causing the vehicle to hesitate, lose power, or completely fail while driving. The Altima's sleek and sporty design is deceiving, as the car fails to deliver a satisfying driving experience. Inside, the cabin is spacious, but the seats feel stiff, and the infotainment system lags behind competitors. Road noise is another major complaint, making highway drives uncomfortable. Nissan's reputation for CVT reliability is already shaky, and the Altima is one of the biggest offenders. Owners often face transmission replacements before reaching 60,000 miles, turning what seemed like a budget-friendly sedan into a nightmare of unexpected expenses. If you think a sedan with a weak transmission is bad, wait until you see this next SUV that falls apart faster than you can drive it off the lot. Land Rover Discovery. Land Rover has always marketed itself as a brand that blends luxury with off-road capability, but the Discovery proves that expensive does not always mean reliable. This luxury SUV comes with a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine producing 296 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque. While on paper it sounds promising, in reality, it is plagued with reliability issues. From faulty electronic components to oil leaks and air suspension failures, the Discovery is a disaster waiting to happen. There is no denying that the Discovery looks premium with its sleek bodywork and signature Land Rover styling. The interior features leather seats, a large infotainment display, and high-end materials. However, these luxurious touches do not make up for the vehicle's poor build quality and constant mechanical failures. Land Rovers have a long history of expensive maintenance costs, and the Discovery is no exception. Owners frequently report issues with the software system, engine misfires, and malfunctioning sensors. The air suspension, which is supposed to provide a smooth ride, often fails prematurely, leaving drivers with hefty repair bills. Luxury does not always mean reliability, and the next sedan proves just how bad things can get when performance takes a backseat to flashy design. Volkswagen Jetta. The Volkswagen Jetta has been a solid choice in the past, but the 2025 model falls short in key areas. It comes equipped with a 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that produces 158 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque. While fuel efficient, this engine suffers from turbo failures, sluggish acceleration, and fuel system issues that can lead to costly repairs. The automatic transmission is another problem, with reports of rough shifting and hesitations when accelerating. The Jetta's design is conservative but lacks excitement. While the interior has decent materials, the overall build quality feels subpar. The infotainment system is also plagued with software bugs, frequently frustrating drivers with slow responses and connectivity issues. The Jetta's declining reliability has been a major concern. Fuel pump failures, transmission problems, and overall poor durability make this sedan a risky choice. While Volkswagen once had a reputation for quality, the 2025 Jetta does little to uphold that standard. Genesis G80. The Genesis G80 is redefining luxury sedans by offering a perfect blend of high-end comfort, performance, and affordability. This sedan comes with a standard 2.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine producing 300 horsepower and 311 pound-feet of torque. For those craving more power, the 3.5-liter twin-turbocharged V6 delivers an impressive 375 horsepower and 391 pound-feet of torque. Both engine options are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, offering a refined and effortless driving experience. Whether cruising down the highway or navigating city streets, the G80 provides a quiet and smooth ride thanks to its well-insulated cabin and adaptive suspension system. The Genesis G80 has an unmistakable road presence with its massive crest grille, signature two-line LED headlights, and sleek, aerodynamic profile. The long hood and fastback style rear give it an executive sedan appeal, while the 19-inch alloy wheels further enhance its bold stance. Inside, the G80 is nothing short of premium. The cabin is wrapped in high-quality Nappa leather, real wood trims, and metal accents. The 14.5-inch infotainment system sits beautifully on the dashboard, offering intuitive controls with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The driver and passenger seats feature heating, ventilation, and massage functions, making long journeys an absolute pleasure. The Genesis G80 is one of the few luxury sedans that competes with German giants like the BMW 5 Series and Mercedes-Benz E-Class, but at a significantly lower price. It offers nearly the same level of refinement, cutting-edge technology, and luxury features, but with better reliability and an industry-leading warranty. Genesis has created a true competitor that does not just challenge the status quo, it redefines it. If you think luxury and performance can only be found in expensive European sedans, wait until you see Toyota's bold and futuristic take on the full-size sedan segment. Toyota Crown. Toyota's Crown is not just a replacement for the Avalon. It is a complete reimagination of what a full-size sedan should be. The Crown comes standard with a 2.5-liter hybrid engine producing 236 horsepower and delivers exceptional fuel efficiency. But for those who want extra power, the Hybrid Max powertrain offers a 2.4-liter turbocharged hybrid system that churns out 340 horsepower and an impressive 400 pound-feet of torque, making it one of the most powerful hybrid sedans in the market. Both configurations come with all-wheel drive, ensuring excellent traction in various driving conditions. Toyota has given the Crown a high riding stance, making it feel like a fusion between a sedan and an SUV. Its sleek LED headlights, fastback-style roofline, and bold front grille give it an aggressive yet elegant look. Inside, the Crown features a luxurious cabin with a 12.3-inch infotainment screen, premium leather seats, and a driver-focused cockpit. The dual-pane panoramic sunroof adds an airy feel, while the sound-insulated cabin ensures a quiet ride even at high speeds. The Toyota Crown stands apart by offering the comfort of a full-size sedan with the practicality of an SUV. Its high ground clearance makes it easier to drive over rough roads, while its hybrid powertrain ensures excellent fuel economy without compromising on performance. Add Toyota's legendary reliability, and you have a sedan that will easily last for decades. Toyota's hybrid technology is impressive, but what if you need something much bigger, something that can tow, haul, and dominate any road? The next SUV is a true American legend. Ford Excursion. Making a grand return, the Ford Excursion is set to reclaim its throne as the king of full-size SUVs. Built on a heavy-duty truck platform, this beast is powered by a massive 6.7-liter power-stroke turbo diesel V8, delivering a staggering 475 horsepower and 1,050 pound-feet of torque. It is paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, ensuring seamless power delivery. The Excursion is not just about brute strength, it offers one of the most capable towing capacities in the SUV segment, making it perfect for hauling trailers, boats, and heavy cargo. The Excursion carries a bold, boxy design that screams toughness. Its large chrome grille, high ground clearance, and muscular body lines give it an unmistakable presence. The massive 22-inch wheels and off-road skid plates make it ready for any terrain. Inside, the Excursion is a luxury fortress. It features 3 spacious rows of seating, offering room for up to 8 passengers. High-quality leather, wood trims, and soft-touch materials make the cabin feel upscale. A 15.5-inch infotainment screen dominates the dashboard, featuring Sync 4 with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The Ford Excursion is one of the few SUVs that delivers uncompromised capability. It is essentially a heavy-duty truck wrapped in an SUV body, offering best-in-class towing, durability, and interior space. Whether you are taking long road trips or handling tough job site duties, the Excursion is built to handle it all. According to Consumer Reports, the worst cars on our list have consistently scored low in reliability, performance, and owner satisfaction, with many drivers experiencing mechanical breakdowns, poor resale value, and high repair costs. Meanwhile, the best models have been praised for their dependability, innovative technology, and driving comfort, making them smart investments for 2025 to 26 buyers. Now that you know which cars to avoid and which ones to buy with confidence, it is time to make the right decision. Have you owned or driven any of these models? Do you agree with this list? Let us know in the comments. And if you want to stay ahead of the game with the latest car updates, do not forget to follow for more expert insights, because your next car should be the best one yet.